Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Netlify CLI for static site publishing step by step clearly. To download the Netlify CLI for static site publishing, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Netlify website at netlify.com. Scroll to the bottom of the homepage and locate the Developers section. Click on the CLI link to access the Netlify CLI documentation. Once on the CLI documentation page, you will find installation instructions for various operating systems. If you are using macOS, open your terminal. Type in the command npm install netlify CLI and press enter. This command will install the Netlify CLI globally on your system. For Windows users, open PowerShell or command prompt. Run the same command npm install netlify CLI and hit enter. If you haven't installed Node.js, you will need to do so first. Visit nodejs.org and download the appropriate version for your system. Follow the installation prompts to complete the Node.js installation. After installing Node.js, return to the terminal or command prompt. Re-enter the npm install netlify CLI command to install the CLI. If you're on a Linux system, open your terminal. Use the command sudo npm install netlify CLI and press enter. This will install the Netlify CLI with the necessary permissions. Once the installation completes, type netlify v in your terminal. Press enter to verify that the CLI has been installed correctly. You should see the version number of the Netlify CLI displayed on the screen. Now you are ready to use the Netlify CLI for your static site publishing. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. You can now start deploying your static site using Netlify commands. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded the Netlify CLI for static site publishing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.